Today's episode is filling the 2 remaining Numberblock snore effect jokes. Enjoy the video. Sorry for not making any Numberblock snore effect joke episodes, but I'm here to add up the 2 remaining Numberblock snore effect jokes. So the ones that are missing I haven't done are 99 and 95. So let's resume filling in. Alright, now I typed in the jokes of them. Now it's time to send it to Choni Wangmo. Now it's already sent to her. Let's wait for her to request me an episode of Numberblock snore effect jokes. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 317.